That's maybe one of them who got who deals. How's that slow bend, boy? I ain't seen that slow bend. Usually they hit like that one you caught a while ago did. Whoa, barn burner. There's that slow bend there. Look out, folks.
You got him on a leash?
Yeah, he's coming to me. He's coming to me now. He don't want to look at me.
Oh yeah, that's a big one. What do you got?
We got a good day going on.
Oh, Lord have mercy.
It's Daddy's turn.
You got a big one.
Yeah, he done know.
I think he's got a like a little 12 door down there.
He just got a little door down there. He's releasing on the
I'd like to hunt. Get a picture of that, dude.
Turn around and Valley's videotaping.
Yeah, I got you on video here.
Like father, like son.
There you go.
All right. Good looking fish.
And baby now.